Welcome to the Central Welding Crash Cam. Okay, race fans, here we go. We're going to pick it up as they're coming around the left turn. You're going to see the green flag fly off to the left. There it is, and we're racing. The 76 and the 72 are to our left. They're not having a good time right now, so guy's going to slip up into third place here. And now he's going to follow the 55 and the 98 till he can find one of them making a mistake and get around them. The 98's making all kinds of mistakes, so that's just a matter of time. You can see guys bumping him, trying to get him to turn wide so he can come up underneath him. The problem is, guy gets his opportunity and the 98 thinks he can save it and stop guy from passing him. Actually, I shouldn't say him. I don't know if that's male or female. There are a lot of female drivers, so I may be misspeaking when I say him. So guy's moving up here now. It's looking like he's going to try and get around the 55, but the 98's still there. So now he's got to dump him. There's a lockup. Guy's going to bump him wide. Now he's going to come up underneath, and the 98 thought he was going to block it, but nope. There it is. Your Central Welding Crash Cam. These guys got some work to do this week. Thank you to Central Welding.